Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the role of stomach in the process of digestion of the food. Before this, we have discussed about mouth and about esophagus. Here we are going to talk about stomach. So let's start with it. Now stomach is a muscular bag, means made up of muscles, which can temporarily store the food for 3 to 4 hours. Fine. Over here, the food get mechanically digested. It means broken down into the smaller pieces along with the chemical digestion occur here. That is with the help of the enzymes, with the help of the chemical secreted by the wall of the stomach. So we are going to talk about the same. Okay. So stomach is J-shaped organ, muscular bag we can call it, okay, responsible for, or we can say it stores food for 3 to 4 hours. Fine. Help in churning of the food. Okay, means it is converting the food particles into very fine particles. उसको बहुत grind form में इसको wall of stomach से strike कर करके smaller pieces में convert करेगा. That is churning of food. Next is chemical digestion occur in the stomach. Okay. Now we'll talk about this chemical digestion, how it is going to take place. The wall of the stomach contain, what it is going to contain? Gastric glands. Okay. Gastric term is related to stomach. So these gastric glands, they are going to secrete the digestive juices. Okay. Secrete the digestive juices. These digestive juices are termed as gastric juice. Collectively, we are going to give a term gastric juice. Now, what this gastric juice contain? This gastric juice contain three things. Okay, I will just write over here. Gastric juice contain number one, mucus, a lubricating substance, okay, which protect the wall of the stomach from the attack of the HCl. Okay. Second is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and the third is pepsinogen. Now what is this pepsinogen? This is a protein digesting enzyme. Okay, the enzyme which is going to digest the protein. So these are the three components of this gastric juice. We'll see the functions in detail now. First is mucus. What it is going to do? Help in lubricating the wall of stomach, which protect from HCl. Got it? Second, the important hydrochloric acid, which provide or which creates the acidic medium in the stomach. It means the food which is present in the stomach, a special term is given to that, that is chyme, CHYME. That chyme pH is acidic in nature. Got it? That is because of the HCl, and that is required for the action of few enzymes. We'll see that. So this HCl perform few functions. The first is it soften the food. ठीक है, food को soft बनाएगा. Second, it kill harmful bacteria present on food to prevent the infection. Third, what it is going to do, important function है, it provide acidic medium for the functioning of protein digesting enzyme. Medium for the functioning of protein digesting enzyme, that is the pepsinogen. उसको पेप्सिन में convert करेगा. Okay. Other than this also, it help in absorption of vitamin B12. Okay. In adults, it help in converting the milk protein casein into the simpler form. ठीक है, renin का काम adults में HCl करता है. So these are few functions. Important one are kills the harmful bacteria, soften the food, and creates the medium acidic so that the pepsinogen converted into active form, that is pepsin, and help in digestion of proteins. Fine. Now we'll see that pepsinogen, third component of the gastric juice. Third thing which is secreted by wall of stomach, as we are discussing, pepsinogen. What it is going to do? It will help in digestion of protein. So over here, the pepsinogen, which is inactive, get converted in the presence of HCl in the active form, pepsin. Got it? So this is inactive and this is active. Got it? Now the proteins get acted upon by pepsin to convert it into proteoses plus peptones. It means हम लोग डाइजेशन कर रहे हैं तो कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ फूड टू द सिंपल फॉर्म. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एंजाइम कॉल्ड पेप्सिन. दिस इज कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म and this is simple form, which will further broken down in the small intestine. So this is the work of enzyme pepsin. Protein digesting enzyme बोल रहे थे ना, because it is help in digestion of protein. So pepsin digest proteins into proteoses plus peptones. Okay, and this need acidic medium that is provided by HCl. In this way, it becomes active. So this is the role of stomach in the digestion of food. Thank you.